Hello everyone. Today we will start with Firebase tutorials. So let's first understand what is Firebase and why we should use it. Firebase is cloud-based database. And why we should use it? Because it provides very useful tools for modern application development. It goes very well with Flutter because both are products of Google. So let's get started. So first I will go and check out the documentation of Firebase, and here I have some options like if I want to use it for iOS or web or Android. So my development is going on with Android platform, so I will choose Android option, and let's check out the prerequisites. So the first thing is install your preferred IDE, which is already done using Visual Studio. Set up a device, already the device is set up. Make sure that your app meets the following requirement. Yes, it does. Install Flutter. Flutter is already installed. Sign in into Firebase. I think we can do this with command line in our next steps, so I will leave it for now. If you haven't already installed the Firebase CLI, install the required command line tools. If you haven't already installed the Firebase CLI, so let's check out Firebase CLI installation command. There are three options: auto install script, standalone binary, and npm. So I will choose npm because npm is already there in my system and it has a switch of G, that means it will install globally. So we can install it from any directory. And okay, so let's get started. Let's install Firebase tools. Just to let you know that I am using Mac system, and for Flutter I am using Android, and for now I am not using iOS. Okay, so it says 36 packages, no, not this one, added 674 packages. So 674 packages has been added, and I think the installation is successfully done. So I will move to the next step, and the next step says Firebase login. So let me try out this command. Allow Firebase to collect CLI and emulator suite usage and error reporting information. Firebase optionally collects CLI suite usage. So I will go for N, and edit, configure and delete your Google Cloud data. View and administer all Firebase data. Okay, I will allow for all these things. Firebase CLI login successful. You are logged into Firebase command line interface. You can immediately close this window and continue using the CLI. Okay, so let's get back to our CLI, and it says that I have been successfully logged in. So let's move to the next step. Install the FlutterFire CLI by running the following command from any directory. So again it is getting installed globally, and that's why it has been said that from any directory, because when the installation is global, then it hardly matters from which directory you will do it. So let's just activate Firebase CLI. Okay, so I think it has added some path, and it has activated Firebase CLI. So let's move to the next command. Configure your apps to use Firebase. Use the FlutterFire CLI to configure your FlutterFire apps. Again, there is a command for this, so I will just use this command. And okay, so it says that I have to rerun this command on many situations. Let's first do this. Okay, didn't work. FlutterFire configure, command not found. Maybe the path that has been used is